Hey guys, Rob here from Scannable. We've got our brand new Generation 2 carabiner tags in, and I'm just going to glue up some of these carabiner samples that I'm about to give to some people. So I've got a 5-minute 2-part epoxy available in New Zealand. This is an aerolite, and I'm just going to squeeze it through. These things are great because they've got the mixing nozzles on them, and that means that you're definitely going to have a good combination of the two parts. So I'll leave that there. The other piece of equipment that I thought I would show you that I'm going to use today is this thing, which is a jewel picker. It's got a sticky end so that you can actually pick these tags up. We're thinking about ranging these on our shop as well. So sing out if you think that we should sell these and make these available to you. You can find them on Amazon, but they're not super available everywhere. So I've got 5, 10, 15 carabiners here. Once you've done a few of these, you'll work out just how much you need. And no more. I've seen a few people putting this glue on and really coat it over the top of the tag as well. And we just have never found that that's been necessary. So if you get a good amount of glue underneath, just the right amount, not heaps, you won't need to use a toothpick and try and coat the top of the tag. There you go, so that's 15. Let's see how this thing goes. Once I've put the tag onto the glue, I try and put it backwards and forwards a bit, just so that the glue does kind of creep out to the sides. And you want to make sure that you've got enough glue. I'm going to top that one up to get the glue visible around the outside edge. got to be quick. It is 5-minute epoxy. So it's going off straight away. And you probably want 2 people if you're going to do more than 10 carabiners at a time. We've had to experiment a lot with the color of these tags to get it just right and on brand, and I'm really excited. I think it looks great, especially against the DMM matte gray on these Wiregate carabiners. You might be asking, why is this guy tagging up Wiregates? They don't even really count as PPE. If you're in the work at height profession, they look great, and we can give them away as samples and let people see just how low profile that tag can be. Of course, you're going to want them on your locking carabiners there. Awesome. Get your orders in. We're going to have more stock in 2 weeks, and then we're going to be sorted out the stock for the rest of the year. Cheers, guys. Have a great weekend.